guys, I am back from Europe. I am currently sick. So yeah, I had body aches and chills on the plane ride home, which was not fun. I knew I was gonna end up getting something. I always get sick, and we were on so many different like trains and stuff like that, so it was bound to happen, and the weather was just so up and down. The trip was amazing. I'm so incredibly grateful. I had so much fun with Teresa and Kara, but I'm excited to be back home, get better, get back into routine. My house looks a hot mess, so we need to clean, because I feel like, was there a launch? I feel like there's a launch before I left. So I left all of that on my floor. And then now I have 2 more lunches, so that's all over the floor. And then there's boxes everywhere. I can't show you because it has my address on it. But yeah, boxes everywhere. It's giving me stress, so I need to clean and reorganize. I feel like I'm cleaning every other day. So that's what we're gonna do. Can this be a judge-free zone? Because I'm gonna show you something that I'm embarrassed to show, but like, okay, so hear me out. When I do the reviews, I like to do color comparisons, which means I have to go find old colors, and I pull them out, and then I have the dynamic launch still out, because again, I did not clean up before I left for Europe, which was shame on me. And then I have 2 launches right now, so, and I wanted to do color comparisons of all the brands for these, so prepare yourselves. This is not just me being like, hee hee, it's so messy, and it's literally 2 things on the floor. This is not that. Don't judge. Please be nice. Find stuff, wrapping papers. Oh, because there's also a Lazuli drop. And then I just hung my rack to film. But yeah, I've got like 3-4 launches just chilling on the floor. Cue the montage of me cleaning this crap up. I like to throw on YouTube, so I'm gonna watch, again, my favorite YouTuber, Hannah Adkins. She always posts like London or Cotswold vlogs, and her demeanor is just so peaceful. Cozy reset. Wow, perfect. almost got this corner clean. Law day calls for a U-log. Also, I have yet to finish that. I haven't been home. But I need it finished. Oh. I'm taking a break from cleaning. I'm sick anyway, so I'm taking it slow. Roblox is fun. Okay, so I don't know what's free. Oh, JK, it says free right there. Bear with me, guys. I had children teach $75 for a face. What? $65 for the only cute hair? Oh, this is bogus. How much money do I have? $0. I am broke. Where do I get money? Can you make money or do you have to actually put money in? Okay, you know what? We're just, I guess, gonna have to go play some games to make some money. Is that how it works? I really don't know. We're gonna do dress to impress. Hopefully my remote works. I don't know how this works. Okay. Joining server. 5 new hairstyles, 3 new codes. How do I get a code? 1 new VIP item? My girl's glitching. Why is she glitching? I just got here. Can I skip this one? I don't have time to make an outfit. Oh, period, she's not glitching anymore. I don't know what the heck that was. I don't have time for trick or treat. What the heck? Oh my god, I'm stressed. Okay, she's just gonna be a freaking fairy. She'll be a green fairy. Oh, Tinkerbell! Oh my god, yeah. Get out of my way, ho. Is there a print that's like green shimmer? Oh my god, slay. Okay, I don't do well at this game because I get stressed out. Oh, I don't know all the buttons yet. Get out of my way, chat. I don't want to freaking chat. Okay. She doesn't even have a face. She doesn't have hair, and I have 55 seconds. Oh, I'm gonna be one of those newbies that comes in. Oh, that's cute hair. Let's go. Let's just get you a face. Screw the shoes. Okay, get out of my way. Okay. Okay, shoes. What the heck would Tinkerbell wear? Period. Okay, I need to go to the dress because she's got friggin' pink on it. This is so last minute, but she's Tinkerbell, okay? Although this is not Tinkerbell's hair. Can I switch the hair? What hair does Tinkerbell have? What even is this? That is not Tinkerbell's hair. What is going on? Whatever, I don't even have time. You Tinkerbell. Time's up. Y'all count me some grace because what is she? Like, oh, like a fish? 2, sorry. I'm not vibing with the outfit. Yeah, I hate that pose. The like, oh, that's cool. What, I don't know what she is, but like, the stick is confusing me. Like, I can't really say anything. I don't even know what the heck. Oh, she's like a clown. The Joker. Okay. Cookies. Well, she doesn't have shoes. I feel like all of us probably came in last minute because it's a hot mess. Some of us are missing shoes. Like, oh, slay. Again, I don't really understand this. She's supposed to be like, that's actually good. Like a cute orc. It's giving like World of Warcraft. Wow. I hate that pose. That's a cute pose. What is she? Oh my gosh, wait. Oh wait, they have chat. I forgot. The chat tells you, duh, I'm a mouse. Okay, that's cute. She's Mean Girls. That is cute. Duh, I'm a mouse. Who is that? Katie? Katie? No. Karen? Is that her name? Oh. Oh. She like me. She came in last minute. Sorry. I also, when I first started playing Roblox and like we did Dress to Impress, I had, again, different layers because I didn't know that once you put on a new outfit, your old one does not come off. So, oh, she got layers on too. I don't think she realized that either. I'm gonna pre-type in what I am. Tinkerbell. I'm a very bland Tinkerbell. But, oh, splits. Okay, girl. Is this me? Oh, it's me. Oh, I gotta type in Tinkerbell. Oh, I need a pose. Slay, cute. I feel like for last minute, that's not bad. I probably won't win, but I mean, for last minute, hey, I'm not mad. Y'all see what I'm seeing? What? The winners are... I didn't even place. 8th! Aw, come on. There's some haters. Half these people didn't even have finished outfits. Good morning. It's the next day. Last night I kind of stopped filming. I was literally just playing Roblox the rest of the night and then laying on the couch. I've just been taking down boxes and about to take it down to the trash. I need to run to Target, get some stuff. I need more trash bags, toilet paper, paper towels. I think the Target I'm going to has like also a grocery section, so I might get some stuff there. I'm wearing Crop Shop Boutique. This fit is so cute. They slayed with this color. I love that they have full-length options, and this top has like a built-in shelf liner, which you guys know I freaking love. And I feel like a lot of brands either don't do that or have now been taking them out. So I'm very happy that Crop Shop Boutique still does them. It's like this high neck full-length top in this beautiful like burgundy color. Yeah, I'll probably throw on a jacket because it is raining outside. And we'll come back and really put away my summer stuff and put up my fall decor. Because right now all of the lemons and summery stuff are still out. Also yesterday I got a package with new 1-Up flavors. We have a new clear whey. I love that they keep doing new clear wheys because it's my favorite. I drink these pretty much every day when I'm home. This is the strawberry Italian ice. I love the lemon Italian ice, so I'm super excited to try this out. Again, you literally just mix it with ice and water. You can also turn this into like the Ninja Creamy like ice cream flavor, or blend it up like a little Baja Blast Freeze type smoothie thing. And then we had apple cider greens and reds. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not a big apple cider girl unless it's in a donut. And then we got coffee flavored collagen peptides. Not sure how I feel about that either. While I eat, me and Christine are starting the Vampire Diaries today, October 1st. We're starting it, that way we'll be on the same schedule. Season 1, episode 1, While I Eat. Spooky. I had to pause this. So I'm rewatching Vampire Diaries with Christine. Episode 1. I always just get so confused because like they must have not liked this because they changed it, because you know how like she's in the cemetery like the first episode, and then they try to make Damon look like he's like that crow, and then the fog appears anytime he's around, and then they never continue that the rest of the show. So confused. Yeah. got all my fall stuff in this box. We need to put away my summer stuff. Oh, shedding. Out because again I have no room in this box. I need to get more flowers, so I'm like tempted to run back to Target or just go to Home Goods, or maybe I'll do that tomorrow. It's already 4 o'clock. Like, where has the day gone? I need to stop. No, I woke up at 7 a.m. today, but I just kind of like laid around. God, oh, this is a bowl filler. I was like, why do I have so many tiny pumpkins?